go! Team 1895, Lambda Corps, using that autonomous mode to make their way over towards the blue rack. And with that, Inner Tube apparently scored. They do score 6 points for their alliance. Team 384, Sparky, and 1137, Rocket Sauce attempt to score those super teams for their alliance. Unfortunately, coming just with 2 minutes on the clock, we enter teleoperative mode. Humans now in control of their robot. Team 1895, Lambda Corps are going for that white inner tube. Using that opening claw mechanism, Lambda Corps is going to score high for their alliance. With that Uber Tube already scored, Lambda Corps is advanced for 6 points from the Blue Alliance, bringing their score up to 12 points. And as they race high, we look forward to seeing if they're able to do it, and it certainly looks like they can. While the Red Alliance in 1137 Rocket Sauce is trying to play defense, they're headed over towards that player station. 122, NASA Knights in the center of the field, trying to stop Sparky. 384 scoring in center position. Team 1599, Atlee Robotics, trying to block Team 2988. 2988 unfortunately being stopped by 1.2 to NASA Knights as well. But as they hedge around, it looks like Team 1895 Lambda Corps is still working hard on that high-scoring logo. With 55 points and 5 seconds left, it looks like Sparky, 384, has an inner tube up. 2 points for the Red Alliance. Sparky is continuing to play unimposed. Team 1895, Lambda Corps, trying to finish up that high-scoring logo. If they do, it's 24 points plus 6 points in autonomous. 30 points for the Blue Alliance would be a big lead. And as they come close, they do it. Team 1895, Lambda Corps. It looks like they might need rescoring. We'll see in it. They do keep it. That's big points for the Blue Alliance by Lambda Corps. With 20 seconds left, the time is coming to a close. 84 Sparky trying to score in that center position. With 2 inner tubes up, that's 4 points for Sparky with 10 seconds on the clock. NASA Knights trying to attach their mini-mod in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.